If you've been wondering how to add a Visa gift card to Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add your Visa gift card as a payment method so you can use it for purchases on Epic Games without any confusion. This is a quick and easy process, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the Epic Games website in your browser, or if you prefer, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. Once you're signed in, head over to your account settings. This is where Epic keeps all of your profile and billing options in one place, so it's the first stop for updating payment information. After that, look for payment settings and open it. Inside the payment section, you'll see the different ways you can pay, and this is where you'll add your Visa gift card. Now select credit or debit card. Even though it's a gift card, Visa gift cards are usually entered in the same way as a regular card, as long as the balance and billing information are accepted. At this point, carefully enter your Visa gift card details. Make sure you type the card number correctly along with the expiration date and any security code if it's required. If your gift card has a billing name or address linked to it, use the information exactly as it appears. A lot of payment issues happen because one number or detail is entered incorrectly, so take your time here and double check everything before moving on. Once all the details are filled in, click Add Payment Method. Epic Games will process the card and save it to your account if everything checks out. If the card is accepted, you should now be able to use that Visa gift card for eligible purchases in Epic Games. If it doesn't go through the first time, the most common things to check are the balance on the card number, the expiration date, and whether the card needs to be registered online first. Also, some gift cards may not work if the available balance is lower than the purchase amount, so keep that in mind. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a Visa gift card to Epic Games. It only takes a minute once you know where the payment settings are, and now you can move forward with your purchase more easily. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.